Forgot your Gmail password or simply want to create a stronger one? Resetting your Gmail password is a straightforward process that helps keep your Google account secure. Yeah, whether you've forgotten your password or you're updating it as a security precaution, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. Start by visiting the Gmail or Google sign-in page. Enter your Gmail address, then click Next. If you don't remember your password, select Forgot Password to begin the recovery process. Google will ask you to verify your identity using one of your recovery methods. Depending on your account, this could be a verification code sent to your recovery email, your phone number, or a prompt on a trusted device. After your identity is confirmed, you'll be asked to enter a new password. Choose a password that's strong, unique, and difficult to guess. It's also a good idea to avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. Once you've saved your new password, sign in to your Gmail account using your updated credentials. Make sure everything is working correctly before moving on. If you've previously saved your Gmail password in your browser or password manager, update it there as well. Yeah, this helps prevent login issues the next time you sign in. Finally, review your Google account security settings and enable two-step verification if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of protection and makes it much harder for someone else to access your account. And that's how to reset your Gmail password in 2026. I mean, keeping your password updated is one of the easiest ways to protect your account and personal information. If you ever forget your password again, you can simply repeat these recovery steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.